essentially you're being squeezed. On one hand, you've got massive overcapacity in oil-based virgin product, but on the other hand, regulatory and consumer demand for recycled product.
Recycled PET is more governed by the regulation. Recycled PSF is more governed by the cost structure.
From free trade, we went to the Green Deal environmental objectives. Environmental objectives becoming less important nowadays, and the forefront is now occupied by economic security.
China is anyway driving the PET price, PTA price and PET price worldwide.
The needs are so huge that we need to run 2 or 3 times faster to help them, because we are just lucky to be here.
Plastic does cause impact, but we should not be changing to other materials which are proven to increase waste, increase greenhouse gas, increase fossil fuel usage.